Hey riders, Rocket. Today I'm going to show you two smart hacks to make your Ninebot E2 scooter faster. One hack is completely safe and official. The other is more advanced for extra speed. Let's go step by step and unlock more performance. Is your Ninebot E2 scooter stuck at low speed? In this video, I'll reveal two proven hacks to boost its performance. The first one is easy and safe, and the second one is for advanced users. Let's dive in. Hack 1. App settings and sport mode, safe and official. Connect your scooter to the Segway Ninebot app. Turn on Bluetooth and pair your scooter with the official app. Check riding mode. Switch from eco or drive to sport mode. On some models, you can go to custom sport settings and increase the maximum speed slider to the top. Adjust kick to start. Some E2 models let you change the start assist threshold. Lowering it gives quicker starts. Update firmware. Always install official updates. They sometimes improve throttle response and performance. Why it helps? Correct settings plus updated firmware let your scooter reach its maximum rated speed, around 20 kilometers per hour on the E2. Hack 2. Region unlock / firmware tweaks, advanced at your own risk. Warning, this may void your warranty, cause error codes, or break local speed laws. Proceed only if you know what you're doing. Check if your scooter is region locked. Some E2 models are limited by region to 15.5 miles per hour or lower. Research community methods. Riders sometimes use custom firmware or change region profiles to unlock higher speed limits. This depends on your exact firmware version. Understand the risks. Hacks can increase motor heat, reduce battery life, or cause controller errors. Always follow trusted guides and know the consequences. Road test safely. After unlocking, test on an empty road. Use GPS or a speedometer to confirm the change and monitor battery drain and temperature. Bonus safe boosters. Quick tips. Keep tire pressure at the recommended PSI. Make sure brakes aren't rubbing. Clean and lubricate bearings. Travel light. Less weight equals more speed. And that's it. 2 smart hacks to make your Ninebot E2 scooter faster. Start with the safe app settings and only try advanced tweaks if you understand the risks. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more scooter tips. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Try hack 1 first for safe results, and consider hack 2 only if you're ready for the risks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and always ride safe.